Hi Jammers, it's JammerBlue95862 here, and I'm in my den and I told you to go away, and today I'm doing an updated video. I told you.
That's Jenny to the eye.
I don't care. Told you. I told you. Why? Okay, so today is an update video. As you can see, today is the update. So today we got pet goats. Look at that snazzy, beautiful thing. Monkey parties only. Freedom stuff again. Oh, super laggy. And weekly diamonds. This week only. Head to the diamond shop. Become an Arctic fox for only 5 diamonds. So get that on. So another letter from the alphas arrived. We got the sloth. Look how slow they would be. That would be so amazing. Apari was right. Another person was right. Look at that. They have a new Heartstone. So they're heading home with
I can imagine
these.
they're as slow as the ones in Zootopia. Zootopia.
Get the candy out of your mouth. Okay. So the new Heartstone is the snazzy. Look at that nose. Sloths. It would be very cool, and sadly cheetahs are away. They gone traveling. Said it wrong. And that's so far it. Really? I'm too. Ooh. An update vid. You ruined it.
You ruined it. Great.
That's Brady right there. He just became a member.
I know.
Barney.
We call him Barney because
No, I tease him with that. Barney.
Brady, Barney.
Go. Go. Okay, I tease him with that. And, oh, as you guys saw, this. Animal Jam added that you could see anyone who's in your den. So,
the same too.
just like in the adventures. Yeah. I still see you in my den. Yeah. Oh, come on, you. Oh, oopsies. It's glitched. Okay, then. Let's go to the diamond shop and check out those snazzy pet goats, which I'm gonna buy one. Whoa, look at those antlers. Look at those. So I'm gonna do mine black and probably this blue. So I'm gonna do girl eyes. Oh my goodness, Animal Jam.
I like that here.
I like this here.
That looks like a puppy.
I'm gonna do those. I want those big ginormous horns. I'm gonna have these ginormous horns. I'm gonna do wind. Owl. So I'm gonna buy it for 3 diamonds and we're gonna go check out what's gonna happen. So I have 16 diamonds and trust me guys. Stop following me! Stop following me! Stop following me!
Do you know what's weird? Each time you're saying something or typing, you and recording, you usually say what you're typing.
Yeah, I like doing that.
Me too.
So let's go. Oh my goodness, look how adorable it walks! Isn't that adorable? So let's see what's gonna come up here. Whoa, look at that. We have PJs. Oh, come on. We have those adorable wings. We have this scarf. We even have that little the little baby thing. And look at that. You have
You can make it all sleepy. Oh, you could do the torch, the hat, and the
Okay, okay.
clothes.
So look, there's a flower, there is the stars, aw, and here's that.
I like the stars better.
Okay, so let's see how all outfits look like. So that's the first one, that's the second, thank you.
And he's holding.
It's a gardener, look at that, isn't that cute?
Mhm.
So let's do the PJs now. And this one has a candle with it. Look at that. Isn't that so adorable? So now we're going to do this. And that's the flute. Look at that. Then the last one, of course, it's the flowers.
That don't look so bad.
I'm not sure if this is right. I think the candle's supposed to be for her.
No, I think so. The flowers.
So I'm going to make it have, PJ, thisy. And I'm going to have stars of flying around it. Look how adorable that looks, doesn't it?
Stars are probably supposed to be used for the PJ.
Look at that. Isn't that cool? Yes, I want to buy this outfit. So let's see how it dances with us. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? So this is probably the most... Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. So how does it play? As Arctic Wolves play like this? Oh, bowling. Wow.
I like it.
Sleep. Look at that.
It's adorable.
And let's see. Monkey's Party only. It's returned after a couple... No, it was about like last year.
So a
They...
couple of months.
couple of months. They kind of... Oh, look at that. Jam on. Look at these beautiful... Oh, that is pretty cool. So look at... So... Ooh, that person looks nice. Look at those snazzy colors. And where? Okay, let's get in the store. Easiest way to get in a store. Okay. So let's see if they have anything new except the paperclip earrings. That kind of reminds me of school. And they brought the space theme back.
Yay.
So if you guys want to come and buy most of these, items, you guys could go over here. You could buy the space shuttle. You could
Do you
make
know
a
what
whole
that
entire
means?
space thing.
Do you know what that means? They're gonna add a space then.
Really?
Yeah.
So, Daily Explorer, let's see what's going on. So, pet goats have arrived. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? So, the fireworks. Look at that. Okay.
It looked like broccoli was seeing them at the moon.
So, the goat is very adorable, so let's keep it in our inventory and put it in this adorable den that I have.
You have so many pets.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to get rid of my pets. So, like, when I could buy extra membership so I can make another account and get all the pets.
There's a penguin pet?
Mhm.
Nice. What's that?
Oh, hi. This is my buddy that plays 24/7. Hi. So if you guys want to check out my art show, come over here. They have a new type of item frame. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Hi. Oops. Who? How are you? How are you? Would you stop throwing the planes?
None of these fly good.
Because they're supposed to be for display.
That one landed perfectly.
Don't.
That one flied better.
Hey. Ooh, no. Sure, I'll play tic-tac-toe with you. I'm gonna do this. Where are you gonna click? Congratulations, you won. That kind of reminds me of a boy in my school named Andrew. Sure, I'll play the game. Apparently he needs gems. I used to be so horrible at this game. The first time it comes out, everyone's like, what is going on?
It's not that one. Got to remember when everyone was getting tides and it was going very fast.
Mhm. Mhm.
And you had to guess.
So it's very laggy for me, so that's kind of disadvantaged for me. It's right there.
Why is it always there?
It's not always there. So let's get my pet goat out of there. Put my fabulous goat over there. Recording. I'm recording. Yeah, okay. Never mind. It's a he. I need to decorate this part, but still, it's pretty. So that will be all for just today's update. Check out the pet goats for yourself. Hopefully the sloths will be as slow as everyone thinks they would be. In slow motion Animal Jam. Woohoo! And hopefully they make a tree den for the sloths.
And maybe they also get it in a space stand.
Okay. Have a snazzy time and jam on, jammers. Bye!